A cancer survivor, a great human being, a wonderful heart and soul, local musician extraordinaire, Mr. Ralston Bowles.
Thank you. Hunger knows no gender, creed or color, age or grade. One child in 12 that's under 8 will go to bed unfed. Cold statistics. As school districts struggle with pie charts, who will feed the children, satisfy their hungry hearts? Mary had a very good idea, and what's more, she put it in a basket and drove it door to door. And over time, the paradigm, which has been known to shift, remained the same, and many will remember Mary's gift. Some dream the big dreams they hope will be, and some dream in only colors they can see. Mary dreamed a dream that's now reality, the chance to feed a child who's hungry. There's time to eulogize, to inspire, time to praise, time to recognize and celebrate golden glory days. But in the meantime, and that means now, what could be more real than to meet the need to feed a hungry child a meal?